If you want to connect Expedia with ChatGPT, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. This is a great way to bring travel planning into ChatGPT so you can explore options faster and keep everything in one place. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser. Once you're on the main ChatGPT interface, look to the left side and find the More option. This is where you'll usually find extra tools, settings, and app integrations. Click on More to continue. After that, select Apps. This will take you into the app directory, where ChatGPT lists different connected services and integrations that you can use. You're looking for the Expedia app here, so take a moment to let the page load if needed. Now scroll or search until you find Expedia in the apps list. Once you see it, click on Expedia to open its connection page. This is the step where you move from browsing apps to setting up the actual integration. On the Expedia page, you'll see a Connect button. Click Connect to begin linking Expedia to ChatGPT. This tells ChatGPT that you want to authorize the connection and allow the app to work with your account. You may see a second Connect prompt after that, depending on the authorization flow. If it appears, click Connect again to confirm. This final confirmation step is common when an app needs permission before it can be used inside ChatGPT. Once the connection is complete, Expedia should now be available through ChatGPT for travel-related use. That means you can start using ChatGPT with Expedia's travel features to help with planning, searching, and exploring options more efficiently. And that's it. You've connected Expedia with ChatGPT successfully. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.